Look at the images on the slide. What does an old newspaper with a monster shape have to do with a district map or a school child? Everything. But first, let's not get ahead of ourselves. This old newspaper is from the year 1812, and the monster you see is a mythical salamander with wings that make it look like a dragon. Children dread monsters, and of course, nobody likes monsters. But this monstrous boogeyman you see was named after a US politician called Albert Gerry, a governor of Massachusetts who signed a bill that created a district in Boston with this exact same shape that resulted in him winning the election. Gerrymandering is the practice where politicians purposefully change election district boundaries to favor their party or socioeconomic class while damaging the chances of their opponents seeking political representation. Why does this matter? Every 10 years in the US, a new census is conducted to account for population changes in districts, and district boundaries are redrawn all over again. Interestingly, small shifts in the size of the majority can add up to incredibly significant outcomes in terms of reducing the influence of Black voters, transparency in governance, policies, and many more. Because public school districts lie within the boundaries of a county or district, redrawing these boundaries affects the assignment of children to public schools. The problem of assigning children to schools is an overly complicated one, and advocates have suggested the use of computer algorithms for this because they claim they are nonpartisan. Surprisingly enough, there is no mathematical or experimental evidence that supports their claim. Policymakers nonetheless have been relying on the direct application of these computer algorithms to justify the school assignment areas for students. This is where my research comes in. My research looks at the effect of direct applications of gerrymandering algorithms on perpetuating segregation. Using 3 different metrics, some well-known gerrymandering algorithms were analyzed. My findings are novel, and my research aims to curb inequities in the assignment of minoritized children to public schools. My work will ensure that the boogeyman or monster of gerrymandering does not become an antagonist in access to educational opportunities for minorities, but become a protagonist for diversity. And that little boy in the corner over there enjoys an equal opportunity to a well-resourced school. The picture of the brightly colored district map you see was generated from my research. And together, it's going to help ensure that the boogeyman does not become an antagonist. Thank you.